Imagine turning on your computer every morning knowing that it belongs entirely to you. Every click, every file, every setting, and every feature exists because you decide how your computer should work, not because a corporation has chosen it for you. That is the biggest difference between Linux and most other operating systems. People often ask why they should switch to Linux, expecting a long list of technical advantages, faster performance, better security, or free software. While all of those are true, there is one reason that stands above everything else, and once you understand it, every other advantage makes perfect sense. The only reason you will ever need to use Linux is control. Linux gives you complete control over your computer, your data, your software, and ultimately your digital life. When you buy a computer today, it usually comes with an operating system already installed. Most people simply accept whatever is there and continue using it without questioning who really controls the machine. Over time, they discover updates being installed without permission, applications appearing automatically, advertisements inside the operating system, unwanted services running in the background, and hardware requirements changing with every new version. Slowly, the computer becomes less about the user and more about the company that built the operating system. Linux takes the opposite approach. It starts with the belief that the computer belongs to you, not to the operating system developer. Every design decision flows from that simple philosophy. Control means deciding exactly what software is installed on your computer. On Linux, there are no unnecessary applications forced upon you. If you want a lightweight system with only a browser and a text editor, you can have it. If you want a complete workstation filled with creative tools, development environments, gaming software, and productivity applications, you can build exactly that. Nothing exists unless you choose to install it. And if you no longer need something, removing it is usually just as easy. Your operating system grows according to your needs instead of someone else's marketing strategy. Control also means choosing your own desktop environment. Unlike many operating systems where the appearance and workflow are mostly fixed, Linux gives you endless freedom. If you prefer something modern and visually polished, Day Plasma provides one of the most customizable desktop experiences available. If simplicity matters more, GNOME offers a clean and distraction-free environment. XFCE is perfect for older hardware, while Cinnamon delivers a familiar desktop for users coming from Windows. Switching between them doesn't require buying another operating system. It is simply another choice available to you. Another important part of control is privacy. Every year, people become more concerned about how much personal information technology companies collect. Operating systems increasingly gather diagnostic data, usage statistics, search history, and behavioral information. While some of this data may improve products, many users feel uncomfortable having their activities constantly monitored. Linux distributions generally collect little to no personal information by default. You know what software is running because most of it is open source, allowing anyone to inspect the code. Transparency creates trust because nothing important is hidden behind closed doors. Security naturally follows from control. Linux has earned a reputation for being one of the most secure operating systems available. That doesn't mean Linux is immune to attacks, because no operating system is perfect. Instead, Linux gives administrators and users powerful security tools while minimizing unnecessary risks. Permissions are carefully designed. Software is usually installed through trusted package managers, and updates often arrive quickly when vulnerabilities are discovered. Rather than relying solely on antivirus software to fix problems after they happen, Linux emphasizes preventing those problems in the first place. Performance is another benefit that grows directly from user control. Because Linux allows you to choose exactly what runs on your system, fewer background services consume valuable resources. Older computers that struggle with newer versions of commercial operating systems often feel surprisingly responsive after installing a lightweight Linux distribution. Even modern gaming PCs and professional workstations benefit because more CPU cycles, memory, and storage bandwidth remain available for the applications you actually care about instead of unnecessary background processes. Developers often describe Linux as their preferred platform because it puts every tool within reach. Programming languages, compilers, version control systems, virtualization software, and containers integrate naturally into the operating system. Many of the world's largest websites, cloud platforms, supercomputers, and artificial intelligence systems run on Linux because it offers reliability and flexibility at every level. Learning Linux doesn't simply teach you another operating system. It introduces you to the environment powering much of today's technology infrastructure. Gaming was once considered Linux's biggest weakness, but that story has changed dramatically. Thanks to improvements in graphics drivers, compatibility layers like Proton, and the growing support from major game developers. Thousands of Windows games now run exceptionally well on Linux. Platforms like Steam have invested heavily in Linux compatibility, making gaming more accessible than ever. While a few games with specific anti-cheat systems still present challenges, the overall gaming experience has improved so much that many players now use Linux as their primary gaming platform. One of Linux's greatest strengths is its community. Instead of depending entirely on a single company's customer support department, Linux users benefit from millions of people worldwide who contribute tutorials, documentation, forums, videos, software, and solutions. Whether you are installing your first distribution or configuring an advanced server, chances are someone has already documented the exact steps needed. This culture of sharing knowledge creates an ecosystem where users help one another instead of competing against each other. Control also means freedom from artificial limitations. You don't have to wait for a company to decide whether your perfectly functional computer is still supported. You don't have to purchase expensive upgrades simply because an operating system increased its hardware requirements. Linux supports an enormous variety of devices, from tiny single-board computers to powerful enterprise servers. Hardware that manufacturers may consider outdated often receives years of additional life through Linux, reducing electronic waste while saving users money. Many people hesitate because they believe Linux is too complicated. Years ago, that concern was understandable. Installing drivers, configuring hardware, and solving compatibility problems often required technical knowledge. Today's Linux distributions are very different. Installation has become simple. Hardware detection is excellent. Software stores provide thousands of applications with a few clicks, and modern desktop environments feel polished and intuitive. For everyday tasks like browsing the web, watching videos, writing documents, editing photos, and even gaming, Linux can be just as comfortable as any other operating system. Perhaps the most important thing Linux teaches is independence. Instead of accepting technology exactly as it is presented, Linux encourages curiosity. You learn how your computer actually works. You understand where your files are stored, how software is installed, how permissions protect your data, and how different components interact with one another. Even if you never become an expert, using Linux helps you become a more informed computer user because the operating system doesn't hide everything behind locked interfaces. At the end of the day, people can debate benchmarks, compare application libraries, argue about gaming performance, or discuss desktop environments for hours. Those conversations are interesting, but they all point back to the same central idea. The reason to use Linux isn't simply that it's free, secure, customizable, fast, or reliable. Those are valuable advantages, but they are consequences of something much deeper. Linux was built around the belief that users should remain in charge of their own computers. Once you experience that level of freedom, it becomes difficult to return to an environment where someone else makes important decisions on your behalf. That is why control is the only reason you'll ever need to choose Linux. Because when you truly control your computer, every other benefit naturally follows.